Hello everyone, we're gonna Kanen coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Academia Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the front panel internal parts. We started with the back panel, we had to replace this one. And we also had to replace basically the whole assembly of the whole spout assembly. The one that is located inside here. These are all the little pieces. And we also had to replace the sensor door. And she was leaking. So yeah, we just serviced the whole part and replaced the back panel as well. And now starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna do a cappuccino so we can test out this side and some steam or hot water. As you can see, steady flow. 2 ounces, perfect. Excellent color. Let's check for hot water. As you can see, steady stream. Great temperature. Takes a bit for the machine to heat up, but as you can see, starting to build up some pressure inside. As you can see, excellent steam, great temperature, great pressure. And now we're gonna do a cappuccino on this side. We are not siphoning milk because we have water in the tank, but it's doing perfectly fine. Good temperature as well. Let's just stop it right here and let go. And again, we can see good water flow coming out of the machine and excellent color. Oops, we ran out of water. Now let's check inside. As you can see, no leaks or anything right here. And there you have it, Gaggia Academia working once again, including the water tank sensor, which we basically finish all the water inside the tank. So the tank sensor works as well as the magnet sensor should definitely work. So there you have it, Gaggia Academia working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.